afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here, and I'm just going to do a little video showing these books that will be in my shop at the time of this video being published. I've been to the antique market yesterday and I actually didn't find very many books, but I found a few, but it did cause me to tidy up I've got two bookshelves, one little one and one bigger one, and I just was tidying it up a little bit, and I decided to part with some of my beloved books. And so I've got little post-its on them just because I've got them numbered by the photographs, and I've put their sizes on. So this book is 1819. I actually have more volumes of this downstairs. That's the beautiful spine. The reason why I'm going to do a video is I haven't been doing that lately. They just go by themselves, the books. But sometimes, well, definitely not sometimes, always, I don't think my photographs can ever actually show the beauty of them. This is quite a grungy book. This is like one of my favorite. This would be one of my favorite types of covers. It's kind of ruined and mottledy and stuff like that. I really do like that. There's some brown ones that are coming that are like that too. I'll just list one in my shop, and then if anyone wants any more, there are others downstairs. I can't remember how many there are. This one is 1819. I think all the books I've pulled out today are rag paper, guys. So if you want some rag paper, this is a good way to get it. So just a nice, just beautiful. A lot of these are beautiful covers, and as I just said, nearly all rag paper. Now this one, I've been hoarding this for quite some time. It's a beautiful cover. The spine is leather. I think it's been rebound. This is really nice recycled sort of raggy paper. It's German, and the font is to die for, and I'm parting with it. My heart's crying, but I can't keep all these things. I just hang on to them. Now there's no date. However, I did go to the back. Sometimes I'll go to the back and see if there's a date. And I saw here 1788. I think, I can't read German, but yeah, there's a date there, 1788. So I'm thinking this is late 1700s. It's a rag paper with the incredible German font. And it's all late 1700s or early 1800s, that one. Very early 1800s. I think it feels more late 1700s, but I can't guarantee it. This book here has, I love this type of cover as well. And again, rag paper. And I just look at that. Isn't that, now you can scan that. That's 1802 rag paper. Just incredible font. Really gorgeous paper in there. And I would have no trouble pulling that book apart. None of these books I would have any trouble pulling them apart. And they've been, I've dusted them off, guys, but they have been in my bookshelf for a long time, a lot of them. This one is 1745, and I'm actually thinking this one's had some worm damage. I haven't ever used one of these covers. I think this cover would be really nice with some lace on it and stuff, and a bit of fabric. I might do one of those eventually. So this one, from what I could see, this is 1745. There were at least two images. There was another one. I photographed the other one that I found. There it is. There is some worm damage. I don't think there are any other images in there, but pretty cool, that one. So that's that one. And it's a parchment cover. There's two of these. I love these covers. They are to die for. 1841, and again, it's rag. It is a rag paper, this one. Gorgeous script. It's written in Latin. Quodunque voto. Yeah, it's written in Latin, this one. And look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? And there's two of those. So I'll list those. There's this one, which is a similar book, but it's different. 1836. And again, it's a rag paper as well. It's a thinner one, but it does have rag in it. You can feel it. And you can also see you can see it's grainy. It is. And look at that one too. That's why I thought they were the same, and then I noticed that they're covers. That's a beautiful blue one. The other one's brown and blue. This one I've been hanging on to for quite a long time. It's 1733. I don't know whether you'd want to recuperate the cover or not. But yeah, it's already almost falling apart. Like if you lift that, it's probably going to come up. But look at that. Should I be parting with this? Probably not. 1733, and oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful book, and I just, you know, I want it to go to a new home. I've got lots of things. I'm a very lucky person, and I think this one can go to a new home. And there's a piece of rag paper put in as a bookmark. I leave all those things in. If there's anything ever in them, I leave them in there. So that's that one. 1733. I've never done such a rag paper thing. This is now one of the reasons why I wanted to do the video, because this one, I don't know if can you see that beautiful cover? I don't think I can photograph that. I photographed it, but you wouldn't be able to see it. And look at that spine. So, and it's not in great, like, you know, it's sort of, I wouldn't feel guilty about reusing that cover and using the pages. 1832 rag paper. You'll feel it. It's got certain texture about it, and plenty of pages in there. That's that one. Oh my God, this book I just love. I love this cover. This one's, look at this there. And here, 1815, this one. It's a bigger size book. It's 7.5 inches by 9.5 inches by 1.25. So just over 1 inch. And this one is 1815, and just yummy. Excuse me if you wanted to eat it. Oh, there's some writing there. Gorgeous paper. Gorgeous, like, and bigger format. Really gorgeous, and a few little emblems, plenty of, you know, bit of scanning you can do in there. I haven't scanned it. I don't, as you know, I don't sell the things I've scanned because I don't think that's fair. Not fair to who, you know, pays the money to purchase it. Now this one I put a question mark. Oh wait, let me show you the cover. Can you see the cover? It's embossed. It's really beautiful, and the spine is lovely as well. I would have no issue again pulling this one apart, because there's also, it's coming apart, number one, and it's one volume of that were several. 1843. I can't tell. It's nice paper. I can't tell. It might have a slight element of ragginess in. Oh look, and it's got little things like that in it. I didn't notice that, so I didn't photograph it. But yeah, it's there's, oh, it's a collection, 1851. So this is a compilation of several. So I would actually have no problem pulling that one apart. And if you're not, you know, not going to read it. This one I actually have three, and this is one of the other covers I absolutely love. I'm keeping one. It's 1808, and I love this kind of cover. That's the spine. Not in great condition, so I would have no issue. Again, I think someone, look, I think it was bound in 1839. Because I think these types of books normally have the paper covers, and someone's bound it in 1839. So that's pretty cool. And it's almost coming apart from the thing, so I would use it. And again, fantastic, really thick rag paper, this one. You can even stitch onto this, it'd be fantastic. So there's two of those. One is 1807, one is 1808. Luck of the draw, and one is thicker and one is very slightly thinner, not a huge difference, but it'll be first in, first served for that one. And then, oh, I love the cover of this one too. Look at that. That's the spine, Machiavelli, 1813. It's been rebound, I think, because that's, I don't feel like that's a typical cover for that period of time. Again, I think this was probably one of the ones with the paper covers. And again, it's a rag paper. Just really lots of, I mean, that's a thick one too. There's lots to use there. I'm running out of, they're going to fall off my chair and then they'll get damaged, so I just put them over there. Now these ones I recently got, I actually got them yesterday, and I kept one because I've never seen a cover like this. I have in paper, but I haven't seen them hard. This is hard covered. So look at that, it's hard covered. They are gorgeous, those ones. And someone's written in that one. That'll be first in, first served. Again, these are the types of books that come with this type of cover, but in paper. So someone has, and oh, that one has an image. I don't know if they all do. 1832, and again, wonderful rag paper, guys. I'm being very generous today, I've got to tell you. And they're mostly fairly similar thickness, you know, spine depth. And then the last one, this has definitely been rebound, but gorgeous cover. Oh, I better put that back on there. I've got those on for the order of photographs, and this one's been rebound, but they did use a rag paper there. It's 18, looks like I'm going to say it's 1855. Sometimes I can't tell. This is a rag paper. This is a weird one for me because quite often after the 1840s, I didn't find so many books with rag paper. Like, this is a rare occasion. And you can see, like, you don't even need to guess with this one. This one is really obviously rag paper. Really cool book. No issue pulling that one apart because that is not even its original cover. So at the time of filming, I have the link. I'll have the links for the books in the description box. I do periodically put books in my shop, so don't worry if you miss out. I have plenty of books downstairs. These are just mostly out of my bookcase, except for those ones that I just showed you. These ones were new. I think all the other ones that I pretty much already had them. I've been hoarding them for quite a while, but because I got 3 of those, I kept one of those, and I'm going to alter them. I'll make them into journals. I will, and I won't even keep the journals probably. So but yeah, I like to get to have a play with them, like you guys get to have a play. I like to get to have a play as well. So I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I just thought I'd pop in and say hi and show you those, especially because like these ones here, it's really hard to get the beauty of those covers, the embossed covers in the images. Yeah, so I'm going to pop off and I have to go and fix all the photographs and upload them. Takes quite a while to do the listings, and then they'll be in my shop. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.